Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 26. Which of the following diseases of tomato is caused by a nematode? A. Fusarium wilt, B. Root knot, C. Leaf spot, D. Leaf curl. So we have 4 diseases of tomato here, and I asked which of them is caused by a nematode. Which one has a nematode as its causal organism? Now option A is Fusarium wilt. Now Fusarium wilt is a fungal disease. Okay, that means it is caused by a fungus, and the name of that fungus is Fusarium onisporium. So that is the name of the causal organism. Now option B says root knot. Now root knot is a nematodal disease. That means it's caused by a nematode. Okay, and the name of the nematode is the root knot nematode. Now option C is leaf spot. Now leaf spot is a fungal disease, just like the Fusarium wilt. It's a fungal disease, and it is caused by a fungus known as Shutdown species. So, and option D is leaf curl. Now it is a viral disease caused by a virus. Okay, and that virus is known as the tomato yellow leaf curl virus, and it's abbreviated as TYLCV. So as we have already established, option B, root knot, is nematodal. It is caused by a nematode known as the root knot nematode. So option B, root knot, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.